Hey guys, inilah. This is the smoked chicken. Okay, smoked chicken at Malaysia. Alright, this is in the sea. So today what we doing? So we smoke the chicken. Oh, this recipe also can use, right? Okay, very easy. See. Okay. Smoked chicken. Maybe you need to get 1 or 2 hours. The taste totally is different. Totally different. See, beautiful. See. So today, now already 3 o'clock in the morning. So today we smoke chicken. Survival in the sea. Similar like barbecue. BBQ chicken. Alright. See. I hope this video can let you guys enjoy. Alright. Okay. In the morning now, 3 o'clock morning. So I'm Sean Terry. Kalau kau boleh main kau. So tonight, we're at the sea in the Iskandar Putri. Okay. So today we do some BBQ. Okay. Hope you guys enjoy. See the chicken. It's a chicken, alright. So remember, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share and view. Thank you. Kalau kau boleh main kau.